You can now get a low-cost 3D printed replacement key for all BRP vehicles with RF D.E.S.S systems. And you can do it without even visiting the dealer. In this video, I'm going to show you the process. We'll be using a state-of-the-art service called Dooplicator. That's D-O-O-Plicator. Start by downloading the Dooplicator app on your Apple or Android phone. Since RF D.E.S.S keys use RFID technology, you'll need to use a phone with RFID capabilities to duplicate your key. Today, I'm using my iPhone X. With the app downloaded and launched, tap the Scan Your Key button. Then tap the phone to the RF D.E.S.S key. In just a few seconds, the Dooplicator app will record the data from your key. When the app is done, it'll pop a success message. Just tap Continue, enter your email address, and now you can order a replacement RF D.E.S.S key. You can place your order directly from your phone, or you can visit the Dooplicator website at duplicator.com to place your order. The app provides your RF D.E.S.S key data to Dooplicator headquarters in Whitehorse, Yukon. When you order your replacement key, the Dooplicator will program an RFID chip to match your existing key, 3D print a compatible housing around the RFID chip, and ship it to you. Mine arrived in less than a week. Here it is, the Dooplicator replacement RF D.E.S.S key. The Dooplicator key feels solid when held in the hand. It's a well-designed 3D printed part. The key fits perfectly on this Tundra's RF D.E.S.S post, and most importantly, it works. I never imagined that I'd be able to get a replacement key without a visit to the dealer, but here it is. All said and done, the Dooplicator key is about 1/4 to 1/3 the cost of buying a new key and getting it programmed by your dealer. And of course, you don't need to load your machine on a trailer and haul it back to your dealer. You can take care of the whole process from your phone. If you only have one key for your RF D.E.S.S Ski-Doo, Sea-Doo, or Can-Am vehicle, you really should order one of these and keep it in your emergency kit, just in case you ever need it. A few manufacturers have reached out to the channel asking to promote their products here, but they have always wanted me to stick to their talking points, which doesn't provide you, the audience, with useful insight. So, until now, I've declined these offers. When the Dooplicator reached out, I thought this was a really neat service, a great asset to the channel and community, and the Dooplicator had no talking points for me to follow. I can say whatever I want about the product, and so I'll say this. The Dooplicator process is innovative, simple, and the product works perfectly. Visit duplicator.com to see current pricing for replacement RF D.E.S.S keys for your BRP vehicles.